the last video, ChatGPT saved me big time. Then I wondered, what if I made a website using only ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It has been designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses to a range of topics and questions. This was definitely not generated by the ChatGPT itself. Now let's make an account. The programming bit. YouTuber. So it better be careful about its responses. Then let's lie about our birthday, because for what else it was meant for? What? A phone number? Hell no. Okay, we are in. First thing I have to do, write me a YouTube video. But this was a joke and I won't do it, right? No one can replace creators' creativity and their jobs, right? Let's see in the comments if you think the script for this video was generated by AI. Time to start actually building a website. Give me ideas for websites. Online marketplace. Create a platform that trash. Learning platform. Build a website that can offer courses and trash. Travel guide. Create a website that provides information about trash. Blah blah blah. They say AI will run the world. Now let's pick a different AI that we all have. Our brains. So I came up with an idea of making a website about dad jokes, because who doesn't like a good dad joke? So I am a complete cucumber. Wait, cucumber? A cucumber?
Oh, no, 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 no.
When it comes to programming, make me a website for dad jokes. As an AI language model, I am not capable of creating websites on my own, but I can don't care. Choose a domain name, choose a website platform, choose a website template. I will not shatter my reputation as a programmer and will not use a website platform because only normal people that are mentally stable and happy do that. Just write the code, please. As an AI language model, I cannot write again. Don't care, just show me the code. Oh, finally some code. But remember, I am a complete cucumber. Cucumber? Who says that? How do I make it appear in my browser? Open text editor, copy and paste, rename to .html, and double click it. And oh yeah, we got a website. However, I really do not like that the main content touches the sides of the page. Put some distance between the main content and the sides. Look at this now. Much better. There's some breathing space for the eyes to rest. But still, there's one problem. All jokes are already spoiled. Let's change that. Now make it hide the punchlines and instead put a button Y for each joke that reveals the punchline. Okay, now we're talking. Now it's time to read some of these jokes that the AI wrote. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Why don't the scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Why don't the skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. This is wild. Leave your favorite dad joke in the comments. Again, seeing the same 3 jokes every time won't just cut it. Make it that it generates new dad jokes each time the page reloads. Now you see that the AI split the code in 2 messages because of the limitations, but this caused it missing one curly brace. If I was not a programmer, I would have missed that and struggled with errors. Overall, it kinda got the idea but not really. It made like a list of 5 dad jokes and each time the page loaded it would randomly pick 3 of them, and we do not want that. Let's try to explain this to the AI. I meant that it grabbed those jokes from an online dad joke generator. And there you have it. Wait. What? I am so confused. Why the style has changed? And moreover, it does not work. Let me give it one more chance. It does not work. I'm sorry to hear that. You better be. Okay, it did not really fix the problem. I had enough. I will fix it myself. You see this word fetch? It means to get data from another website. As it turns out, we got the data, but we do not format the data correctly to fit our website. The ChatGPT thought that the data consisted of 2 parts, the setup and the punchline, but actually there was only one part, the whole joke. Therefore, I split the joke myself into 2 parts, by taking the first sentence as the setup and the second as the punchline. And to top it off, I scrolled back when ChatGPT generated the old style and placed that in. I think it just looks better for me. Drum roll. And there you have it. A website built by ChatGPT. but with a little help of a programmer. In conclusion, the ChatGPT itself cannot replace programmers because it has limited tokens who prevent the AI of understanding the whole context of the program and sometimes ignores what was previously said and therefore won't replace programmers for now. You might say, but there are specialized AIs for website building. And to that I say, press the like button and I will try that kind of AI. As always, the code will be available in the GitHub repository link below, and the link to the website will also be there so you can check it out and break it by yourself. Now you probably want to go to Amazon and buy some paper to wipe all those tears from laughing about the dad jokes. But have you ever wondered what it takes to build a website like that? Well, the next video will be all about that. But now, if you do not want to miss that video or you just enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, call it version 1.0 and move on. Watch the video about Amazon on the left, but if it's not yet released, click on the playlist on the right to see how I, a little dum-dum programmer, made my own social media website.